Forex trading and Fibonacci retracement. Wait, how did the price bounce there? It looked totally random, Fred asked, confused. Pip appears wearing a wizard robe, holding a golden spiral staff. Nothing's random in Forex, Fred. Let me show you the magic of Fibonacci, Pip said mysteriously. Leonardo Fibonacci was a 13th century Italian math whiz. He discovered a number sequence found all over nature: spirals, flowers, and yes, even markets. Pip explained informatively. A Fibonacci spiral overlays a nautilus shell, then over a chart. Traders use Fibonacci retracement to find where price might pull back before continuing its trend, Pip added informatively. Price surges. Pip pulls a fib tool from swing low to high. Levels like 38.2%, 50%, 61.8% appear on the chart. So these lines are support or resistance? Fred asked, curious. Exactly. The most watched levels are 38.2%, 50%, not Fibonacci but used, 61.8%, the golden ratio, Pip explained informatively. You can use Fibonacci to spot entry zones after pullbacks, set targets using extension levels, combine it with trend lines or patterns for better accuracy, Pip continued, educating. So it's like a GPS for pullbacks? Fred asked, curious. Exactly. The market breathes in and out. Fibonacci maps the rhythm, Pip confirmed. Remember, Fibonacci is a tool, not a fortune teller. Wait for confirmation, like a bounce or candlestick signal, Pip warned. Got it. Use it as a zone, not a hard rule, Fred said, understanding. Fibonacci retracement helps traders anticipate where price may react during pullbacks. It adds structure to chaos. From seashells to signals, this Fibonacci guy was onto something, Fred exclaimed, awed. Next time we do some trading,